Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the course on creating a website from scratch based on my book of the same name. Today in this lesson we will start chapter 7, here on the site, or chapter 38 in the book, creating and designing the contact page. And let me just say that this tutorial will be free and it will be very short, because that's all I can take pictures of right now. Open the PDF file, we will create and design our contact page. In order not to write all the code from scratch, we will copy the page, the entire page index.html and rename the copy with the name contact.html. Previously, in the folder of our site there were the following files, and after we do this copying, we will have the following, plus the contact.html file. Then we need to create a link between the pages. To do this, first open the file index.html in the editor and down here in contact, in the place of the hash mark, we write contact.html. We do the same on the other page for the contacts. Then we go down to the bottom of the page to the contacts section, and where the main block is, we delete everything in it. It should look like this. We delete from line 56 to line 87, and it should look like this the following, and then we open the file index.html, we should see the following. We click on contacts, we see that it opens a blank page, but I'm missing something, because there are no tabs here, and I can't understand where I'm from came to the page. And so we're going to do something else, so that we can understand, which is the page that we've opened and on which we're currently. How do we fix this? There are different ways to do it, but we will focus on the following: the button from the navigation menu of the page that we clicked and it opened, to change the color and size of the text. Ideally to be the same color as the hover effect. And for this purpose we will create a class active, which will be only in the link of the specific page. First we open the file index.html and on line 16 we write the class active. Let me zoom in for a moment so you can see it. Here it is, class active on the index.html page. We do exactly the same thing and on the contacts page, only where she is herself. Then we need to write the code in the CSS file. We open it and there write the following code. Let's zoom in again for a moment, so you can see it better. Here's the code for the fixed dimensions. Here's the code for relative sizes. There's nothing special about it, just plain code. And let's see what happens. Here, when we first open the home page, it's colored, and when we open the contacts page, it's also colored, which is what should happen. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.